kiss you and I hate you and then leave instead. I wanna kill you, then I call you and say get in my bed. Been a full year now and we both know that it's bound to end, but kinda like just how hard it gets. So stay for now, it'll bury the crime. So tell me a lie, it'll buy us some time. Oh no. When you don't show up, you can get cocky when you want me, and I say I'm done. Been a full year now, we both know it's not good for us. Kinda like the smoking on love. Oh no. No more, but I'm too attached to you. You know I'll be here till we're the last ones in this room.